Reminiscing on a true story alongside Master Ego in a remix of Amida in Classic Records producer Sam Shine. Yeah. Ngang'oniti nyath manyako milongo ni Amida. Amida na ng'onyako moro mecha maber sana. E class kiss ora Amida mabedo kunyo loyo. Gimana ngo timu woki ankir jufunji chewa foyo. Moth woki primal Amida bedo kunyo dongo. Mute kutundi secondary kula marash bedo kunyo taga. Pingi malo giluse pera midu chako kisala. Uchako chaya jakinyal mita nyath mangwenyo waga. I can never love a student Amida bedo kunyo gana. But chance to rango jamze milongo ni Kena. Akipani it was love Amida na ngonyaka mito pesa. Jamze milongo ni Kena no to slim to test Amida no ni chize HIV positive.
Sorry for you. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi.
I gave her some piece of advice. Our Amida, if you can't abstain, you better use a condom. She ignored Tolimo iye, she made on abortion. Nyako mana umabel sanu gig mopal question. Amida mana uchunye bed, she even lose the emotions. Akinya kipusa ina Amida, cause the world is on rotation. Some figures Amida no judge pere Bosco. They couldn't stay cause there was no sign of production. Bosco toriema Amida machango pinyo geno samuru mimirebe pakisalaka. Kiskama Amida bede jebeda bedagi kigana gana. No one can ever marry girl who's ever on wonders. Amida machango mumputere samodo lika need parolex. Nini jash mabine bongeje they are mostly after sex. Jet nyala nyuthi pesa to kwany to teri kiria next. Dikin kiteko limo ito weke nyo mibedo stressed.
Ikiri waki Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi.
Amida machango ketho wiye wiu same wiyo baripa mayun. Ongo kiriki pesa mesha manyalo tero kisalun. Wotho mowiro shinge dienge pajuma jotipul katur. Akinya kipusa ina Amida titeko momak wiwil kiriki kwa sapul. Teko momak Amida mishela rija chandi shela kirita ikun. She used to shout on top of her voices. Ngashata boxes. Amida salu moth pa pastor malogi Holy Spirit. She's even getting as holy as a priest. Amida nyako machango mumputere nyeri supermarket. Same ngado musenge street. Amida machango mupong same shoko ngutu wokpario majuam. Slimo makamida gana kiriboth. Ripiri wok donjo tembu fumbu pangata buokoth. Amido teko pothi sugida.
Hey! Oh my goodness! Dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida, dichunyina mida. Where be no konyi.
Wash 256